Namaste yogis. I am Yogi Vipin Singh First One, and on the behalf of Himalayan Yoga Association, as a teacher here, I am welcoming you all in this online teacher training course. I am your Vinyasa teacher, and I am wishing you all the very best for the course. Namaste. Namaste yogis, and welcome to the second week of Vinyasa Yoga. So let's start this class with the Om chanting. So simply sit back, relax. You can place your hands over your knees or over your lap and close your eyes. Now gently take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out from your nostril. Again, inhale in and exhale slowly out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now keep doing this for a few seconds. Inhale and exhale. Try to minimize your thought. Calm your mind. Prepare your mindset for this class. Few more seconds. Just keep breathing. Now with the next inhalation, you can bring your palm near to heart center. Joint your palm. And exhale, relax your shoulders down. Breathe in and breathe out. Now prepare yourself for 3 Om. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Inhale. Stay there. Feel the vibration of Om. And keep breathing at the same time. Slowly down your head as you exhale. Gently open your eyes. Namaste. So let's start this class with an extended child pose. So wherever you are, gently come in child pose. And try to walk with the finger. Take a fingertip support. Keep lengthening your spine. Make sure your elbow should be lifted to the ground, not on the ground. Should be lifted up off the ground and hold here. Now just simply try to swing right and left, left and right. Make a movement from your shoulder joint. Nice and slow. And at the same time, keep lengthening your spine. Now place your palm on the mat. Slowly swing forward. Come up in tabletop. And again, move back to child pose. Take a fingertip support, lift your fingers up. And inhale, swing forward. Place your palm down. And exhale, move back. Come up with your fingertip. Keep lengthening your spine. Again, inhale, come forward. We'll do one more round. And exhale, move back. Now from here, slowly swing forward. By tucking your toes in, lift your knees off to the mat and slowly straighten your leg for downward facing dog. Now gently keep bending your leg one by one to warm up your hamstring Feel all the stretch of your hip, the side of the hamstring. Nice and slow. Keep lifting your heels off to the mat. Keep switching your side at the same time. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly walk forward. Now by rounding your spine, slowly come up. Breathe in and exhale out. Now prepare yourself for sun salutations. So we are starting this class with sun salutation A of Ashtanga. Now from here, take your time, breathe in and exhale. Calm your mind. Inhale. Swipe your hands up over your head. As you exhale, micro bend your leg and slowly go for full forward. Place your palm by side of the mat. Inhale. Lengthen your spine, look forward. Exhale. Place your palm on the mat. Walk back. Drop your knees down for Chaturanga. Inhale up for upward facing dog. And exhale. Round your spine. Go back to downward facing dog. Stay here for a few breaths. Again, if you are feeling a bit tightness on your hamstring, you can keep doing the same thing which you have done before in the beginning by lifting your heels off to the mat. Nice and slowly warm up your hamstring. Now breathe in. Walk forward in between your both hands, lengthening your spine for half forward, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale down for Uttanasana. Again, inhale up. And exhale, make a namaste in between your heart center. Inhale, lift your hands up. And exhale, go for full forward Uttanasana. Inhale up for Ardha Uttanasana. Place your palm on the mat. Jump back for Chaturanga. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, slowly round his spine. Tuck your toes in and come up for Adho Mukha. Nice and slowly stay here. You can look towards your navel center or you can look in between your both hands. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk or jump forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, and inhale up. We'll do one more round. Exhale, go for full forward, nice and slowly. Inhale up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale for Urdhva Mukha. Open your chest and exhale. Go back to Adho Mukha, nice and slowly. Now hold here. Try to roll your shoulders out. Push from your shoulder. Lift your heels up, look forward. And walk or jump for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. And inhale up. Now from your hand as it is, we are moving to Sun Salutation B. Slightly find a chair pose by dropping your hip back, bend your knees. Exhale. Full forward. Inhale up. Exhale. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Now try to swing your shoulders. Move your shoulder. And exhale. Move back to Adho Mukha. Now slowly shift your weight on your left leg. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Place your right leg forward. Slowly come up for Warrior A. Joint your palm on your hand, look towards your thumb. Exhale. Drop your hands down. Go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale. Go back to Adho Mukha. Now we'll do the same thing on the left side. Shift your weight on your right leg. Place your left leg forward. Inhale up. And exhale. Drop your hands down. Walk back to Chaturanga Go back to Adho Mukha. Now try to move your hip right to left, left and right. Slowly drop your knees on the mat and exhale, relax. So in case if you are feeling a bit pain on your wrist, you can just keep moving your wrist by interlacing your fingers, or in case if you have a bit pain on your shoulders, so you can swing your shoulders, you can move your shoulders just by shaking your hands. Now prepare yourself for one more round. And slowly back to downward facing dog. Walk forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, find a chair pose and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, full forward, drop your hands down. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Keep lengthening your spine. Place your palm down. Jump back to Chaturanga. We're going to hold here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale up for Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Take your time. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Place your right leg in between your both hands. Slowly lift your hands up. Lift your trunk up for Warrior A. Exhale, drop your hands down. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. And exhale. Go back to Adho Mukha. Nice. The next inhalation, lift your left leg up. Place your left leg forward. Inhale up. And exhale. Drop your hands down. Slightly jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up. And exhale. Go back to downward facing dog. Now slowly walk forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. And inhale up. Find a chair pose. And exhale, relax. Now shake your hand. Shake your fingers. Breathe in and breathe out. Now shake your hands. Now prepare yourself for Chandra Namaskar. So we'll do 2 more rounds. Now gently place your palm near your heart center. Inhale, lift your hands up. Gently arch your lower spine. Exhale, full forward. Breathe back. Send your left leg back. Drop your left knee down. Look forward. With the next inhalation, lift your trunk up. Lift your hands up for Ardha Chandra Namaskar. Exhale, drop your hands down. By lifting your back knee up, go back to Parvatasana, mountain pose. Drop your knee, chin, chest on the mat. Inhale, sink forward for Bhujangasana. Exhale, go back to Parvatasana. Send your right leg forward, drop your left knee down. Inhale up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Send your left leg forward. Inhale up. And exhale, make a namaste. We'll do 1 more round. Inhale up. Exhale. Go for full forward. This time send your right leg back. Drop your knee down. Inhale up. Exhale. Drop your hands down. Lift your knees off the mat. Go to Parvatasana. Drop your knee. Chin, chest down. Slide forward for Bhujangasana. Exhale. Go back to Parvatasana nice and slowly. Now send your left leg forward. Drop your right knee down. Inhale up. Exhale. Place your hands on the mat. Send your right leg forward. Now inhale. Lift up for Hastuttanasana. Exhale. Make a namaste. Now inhale. Lift up. Arch your lower spine. Exhale. Full forward. Send your left leg back. Inhale up. Exhale. Drop your hands down. Lift your knee up. Send your right leg back. Drop your knee. Chin, chest on the mat. Slide forward for Cobra. Exhale. Go back to Parvatasana. Send your right leg forward. Drop your left knee down. Inhale up. Exhale. Drop your hands down. Send your left leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale. Make a namaste. Do one round. Inhale up. Exhale. Full forward. This time send your right leg back. Inhale up. Exhale. Send your left leg back. Drop your knee, chin, chest down. Swing forward from Bhujangasana. Inhale back to Parvatasana. Send your left leg forward. Find your Ardha Chandra Namaskar. Exhale, drop your hands down. Come forward. Inhale up. And exhale. Relax. Now open your hands. Open your leg. And close your eyes. Relax. Breathe in. And breathe out.